Hey there, folks! I'm back again with another video. Today, we're diving into the topic that's super important for anyone looking to grow their business. It's all about how to create an effective email marketing funnel. An email marketing funnel is like a journey you take your subscribers on, from the moment they join in your email list to the point where they become your loyal customers. Now, when it comes to building that email list, think quality over quantity. You don't want just anyone on your list. You want people who are genuinely interested in what you offer. So entice them with something irresistible, like that free ebook or a special discount they can say no to. Creating engaging content is where the magic happens. Your email should feel like a friendly chat with a buddy. Share valuable information, tell stories, and make it personal. Remember, nobody wants to read a boring email. Segmentation is like giving your subscribers a VIP treatment. Not everyone on your list is at the same stage in the journey with you. So, by grouping them based on their interests or behaviors, you can tailor your messages and make them more relevant. It's like having a one on one conversation with each other. Now, let's talk automation. Setting up automated email sequences is like having a virtual assistant that works 24/7. You can welcome new subscribers, educate them about your products or services, and gently nudge them towards making a purchase, all on autopilot. It's a game changer. And here's the golden nugget: keep testing and optimizing. Your email marketing funnel isn't set in stone. Pay attention to what's working and what's not. Tweak your emails, subject lines, and calls to action. This constant improvement is what separates the pros from the amateurs. So there you have it. You're now armed with the knowledge to create an email marketing funnel that not only boosts your sales, but also builds genuine connections with your audience. Remember, it's not about bombarding people with emails. It's about delivering value and building trust. And that's how you turn subscribers into loyal customers. Thank you for joining with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create an effective email marketing funnel. See you on my next video.